Hey guys, Kitty here. So if you've been watching my videos for a long time, you know that I have kind of an obsession with hot Cheetos. They're one of my favorite snacks. I love them. I've been eating them for a long time. My stomach is probably torn up because of that. I heard that Trader Joe's released these healthy hot Cheetos, and so I'm gonna go try to hunt those down today, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me and do like a review taste test of these. I don't even know what they're called. I don't know, but I've seen pictures of them, so we're gonna see how this goes. And I hope you all enjoy the video. It's gonna get spicy. Get your water ready. Here we are. Well, that was easy. Found them. So this is what they look like. Pretty easy to spot. Black and red bag. So I just got back from Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna do a little mini haul real quickly before I do the taste test on the hot Cheetos, or the knockoff hot Cheetos. These are one of my favorite things from Trader Joe's. They're just the white cheddar corn puffs. So I kind of forgot they existed, so got those. And then Trader Joe's used to have mochi balls that came in like a pack, a variety pack, and they were not dairy-free, but I found dairy-free ones. So I got some vegan mochi strawberry flavored ice cream balls. I call them mochi balls. I don't know if that's the correct term. And then I got 3 frozen meals for work next week. I eat a lot of frozen meals. Basically, that's all I ever eat, especially at work. So I got this one. This is shells with brie and asparagus. Got some Trader Joe's mac and cheese. And then, of course, I got some chicken tikka masala because I love Indian food. And now for the moment we've been waiting for, the spicy cheese crunchies. And apparently these are, let's see, they're like gluten-free, non-GMO, all kinds of good stuff. But yeah, let's give these a go. First, let's take a look at my cat, who is really just dying to come outside right now. I'm gonna open these up and do the taste test. I don't even have any water, so hopefully they're not super spicy. From what I've read, they're actually less spicy than normal hot Cheetos. Ooh, the smell. So you know how when you open a bag of hot Cheetos up, it sort of smells like farts? This one doesn't smell like farts. I love that about it. So far, so good. It smells sort of like baked hot Cheetos, and so if these taste anything like baked hot Cheetos, I'm gonna die, like, of happiness. I've talked about this before, but in high school I used to love baked hot Cheetos, and they don't sell them in stores near me. They just sell like little packs that I used to be able to buy in the lunch line in high school. So I don't know, we're gonna just give these a go, but they do smell very similar to baked hot Cheetos. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I literally found a replacement for baked hot Cheetos. These taste just like baked hot Cheetos. This is a good day. So they don't have as much crunch as a baked hot Cheeto does, but the taste is similar. So I moved seats so you guys can see me a little better, but now the sun's sort of like, I don't know, shining down on me. It kind of hurts my eyes a little bit. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Would recommend these. Once again, they're just called the Trader Joe's Spicy Cheese Crunchies, and this video is not sponsored or anything. I really wish that they would sponsor me and send me a bunch of these, because now I'm obsessed. Just thought it would be fun to do a video based solely on reviewing these, and the thing that excites me most about them is that they literally have no like artificial dyes or anything in them, and that's one thing that always worried me when I would eat regular hot Cheetos, is like, I don't even know what I'm putting in my body, honestly. I'm trying to be more conscious, trying to be more enlightened about what I'm putting into my body. So we'll start here with hot Cheetos, that I can't probably call hot Cheetos because these aren't actually hot Cheetos. Let me know down below if you guys like to see more like food review videos. Could be cool, I don't know. So yeah, you heard it here first, ladies and gents. Trader Joe's came in clutch with these, and you should go get some. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.